Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the euro dollar is sitting at the 50% Fibonacci level. We're going to have to see if this does hold. It definitely doesn't have to hold. It could end up pushing beyond that to the 61 or maybe even the 78 before it actually does go up and make that expanding wave C that we've been talking about. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we're in a downtrend. Yes, it did go up, but this is definitely still a downtrend. There is no break of structure or anything telling us that this downtrend is complete. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, this line right here represents the break of structure level for me. If it breaks above this level with momentum, then I definitely would become a buyer. But since it has not done that yet, I'm definitely still looking for sells, and I still think there's a pretty good chance that this will go down again for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think this looks like an ABC correction. I mean, it looks like a possible A. It looks like 3 ways down for a B. I still think it looks like possibly 5 ways up for a wave C. I'm actually short on this from last week, and I still think that it looks like it possibly is just going to keep on trending down for hopefully the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if it does go up and break structure, I'm fine with that because I know that I will be able to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, the market has been very rangy lately, as you can see. I was thinking that this right here was the end of a wave C. If this right here is the end of a wave C, then this needs to continue to downtrend. It needs to continue to make lower lows, lower highs like this. Now, it can definitely pop up. I mean, this definitely could be an A, B, C. Like, this could be like a wave 1, this could be wave 2, and then down for wave 3. But if this up here really is a wave C, then it cannot go up and take out these highs. If it does go up and take out this line right here with momentum, then I definitely will scratch the idea of this being a wave C, and I will definitely start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see from that point on. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.